Explore the vibrant world of poetry by examining end rhymes, where words at the end of lines rhyme, like sill and bill. Understand rhyme schemes, such as ob, and discover internal rhymes within lines like Montana and bandana. These elements enrich the rhythm and meaning of poems, enhancing your appreciation and analysis. Explore the poetry machine to identify key elements. End rhyme features rhyming words at line ends, like windowsill and yellow bill. Rhyme scheme is the pattern of these rhymes, such as ab. Internal rhyme occurs within a line, as in, my home's in Montana, I wear a bandana. Onomatopoeia brings poetry to life with words like whirring and hissing that mimic sounds. Similes create vivid imagery by comparing unlike things, such as light dissolving like stars. Consider the poem From Florida's Fountains to Washington's Mountains, showcasing rhyme and rhythm. What inspires journeys? Reflect on these elements in your favorite poems. Poetry's language is crafted into lines to convey ideas and emotions. Key elements include rhythm, rhyme, and rhyme scheme, which create patterns and repetition. Sound effects enhance the auditory experience, while figurative language offers unexpected meanings. Fluent readers should read with accuracy, pace, and expression, emphasizing rhythm and rhyme for a richer experience. Christine O'Connell. George's poem, Learning the World, uses repetition and line breaks to create rhythm and intensity. The repeated I'm emphasizes the speaker's journey of discovery. Visual imagery like smoothing out this map and peering through one end invites readers to imagine exploring the world. Consider drawing what you visualize from these vivid descriptions. Latitude and longitude guide explorers like Magellan and Columbus, navigating via stars and traversing dreams. These lines, wrapping around Earth's watery girth, coordinate our global journey. The metaphor, our home, our ship, our planet Earth, emphasizes our shared voyage. Consider your own journey and craft a rhyming couplet about exploration. Maps are more than mere lines and dots. They are keys unlocking vast worlds and unknown faces. This metaphor highlights maps as gateways to adventure and discovery. Visualize features like rivers, mountains, and cities, each a part of the intricate lace design that guides explorers to new horizons. Marilyn Singer's Early Explorers highlights that no place is truly undiscovered. Even Antarctica, with hidden mountains, has been traversed by penguins. The poem's rhythm varies with short and long lines, creating waves and emphasizing the message. Visualize movement through phrases like wings whirring and feet furred or scaled.